What's good, familia, and welcome back to JVTV. If you're interested in holistic lifestyle, healthy cooking, and family vlogs, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and join our familia. We would love to have you. So throughout this video, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I've been having like a really chill morning. It's just me. So I just got finished doing some morning yoga. I feel great. I just had my key lime water, and now I went to do a mushroom mask. A little backstory on why I'm doing the mask in my skin. I usually do like regular mask. I usually do like a turmeric mask, or I usually exfoliate with turmeric zen. So this time I decided to dermaplane. I think it's dermaplaning. I decided to dermaplane my own skin, and it was a fail. And the reason I say it was a fail is because, like, I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can see it. Oh my goodness. Like, I had like breakouts like on my skin. You guys can see, yeah, you guys can see that. That's my mic, but yeah, I have breakout inflammation on my skin. It's up here on my forehead. I just had a very bad reaction doing it myself. Usually my favorite does it, but I decided to try it myself, y'all, and I'm not doing it again on my own. I'm not an esthetician that uses tools and stuff. I'm a formulator, and I know how to heal my skin with herbs and plants, so I'm gonna stick with that for now. So what I'm gonna do is fix this. See, look at this, guys, and it kind of hurt. It's itchy a little bit, like my skin has been itching, so I'm gonna use a mushroom mask to calm that down. And then I'm just make a vegan matcha latte because I'm not really feeling coffee right now either. I don't feel like getting the crash after coffee, I know what I mean. But yeah, guys, let's get into this mask. Okay, so yeah, if you want to see me make my mask, keep watching.
Mr. Mirror, tell me what you see. I see a beast about 6'3". He got on a gray tee. I think he just smoked him up some weed. His eyes banging bees. They said tripping like he never sleeps. Just like his destiny is out of reach. Still climbing, trying to reach his peak. Back and forth with his decisions like he's swinging. Whichever way the wind blows, he knows tomorrow he gotta get it in. Even today, I mean, I want the answers. Why you got a quiz? Good looking, showing who you is. This your reflection, yeah, we mimicking. I'm showing you what your description is. You kinda swole, you been getting big. Keep smoking blunts, fuck them damn cigs. They choosing you, you just have your pick. When shit get tangled, you go permit quick. I just thought that was some clever shit. Yeah, I did. Good looking, you the evidence. You the man, fuck what others think. A strong swimmer, others drown in sinks. You the chain to that missing link. They small-minded, you can be they strength. Open up your hand and watch them birds eat. Watch what you harvest when you plant them seeds. Fuck how they feel, I hold with hands and feet. I know you different, you just hate defeat. But good looking, you the person who I wanna be. Say you the person who I wanna be. Yeah. Mirror, mirror, see a lot of shit. You see, the mirror can only tell me who I'm fucking with. I send a message to myself when I'm addressing it. Body language says I'm black with American. I broke a promise when I said I'll never swear again. In a relationship, now I'm just a square again. In a circle where they never forced me fitting in. Mr. Mirror, I'm the one that you were picturing. You were talking about how great that my appearance is. When I appear, they be amazed and shit. Like I'm amazing shit. Even Grace will be amazed at this. And they go crazy when amazement hit. For your amusement, we gon' park right here. See, it's amusing when I'm in the mirror. but myself. And I be damned if I neglect myself. I said, if I be damned, nigga, I be damned. Said I be damned if I neglect myself. So Mr. Mirror, I wipe to make you clearer. You see what I see, but what I see is getting nearer. I would go ahead and reach for it, but they'll probably kill me. Soon as I reach up to the stars, they'll scream, he got a pistol. I know it sounds like excuses, but I know you see it. It's like I'm talking to myself, I guess I have to believe it. So in closing, Mr. Mirror, I think I am achieving. I guess we on the same page, our thoughts are even.
Hey familia, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed me making my mushroom mask. I will give you guys updates on my breakout maybe later in the week or when I start seeing some changes. But it felt great like while I was doing the mask, so I'm excited to see my skin heal up from that inflammation. I will not be dermaplaning again, so reach out to your esthetician if you want to get something like that done or not. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Adios, familia.